LED desk lamp with wireless charger. This wireless desk lamp charger is very practical and stylish, and it doesn't require any additional wires. The LED desk lamp comes with a 10W wireless charger that can be used to recharge wirelessly compatible devices like iPhones, Samsung, and other electronics. You can keep your phone charged while you work and never have to worry about running out of power. LAMP multifunctional LED desk lamp with pen holder is absolutely a must-have item for office workspace, at-home desk area, or when sharing a room or dorm. This desk light has 3 color configurations: cool white for fun, soft white for the bedroom, and light white for the office. Long press to change the desk lamp's brightness from 5% to 100%, or short click to switch the color. Super bright black office desk lamps have a large number of LED beads that can produce 800 lumens of light at a maximum output of 8W of power. They have a lifespan of 50,000 hours and a cree rate of 85+. Even when used for extended periods, an acrylic panel's gentle, unflickering light helps prevent eye fatigue. People who spend a lot of time reading, writing, or working at a computer were the primary customers for the desk lamp. This adjustable gooseneck, pen holder, and phone stand dorm desk lamp is ideal for a college dorm room and has all the conveniences you could want. It performs a variety of tasks that can help you save money and space. It can store your reading glasses, a magnifying glass, multi-tools, pens, pencils, and more. Your desk will look great with a dorm desk lamp with storage. That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.